Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya now shares cordial relationship with Assam, says Meghalaya Chief Minister Kondot K. Sangma. National People's Youth Front Shillong City facilitates International Referee and COVID-19 Warrior on the occasion of International Women's Day. District Legal Services Authority observes International Women's Day at Kandailat. And we have to wipe out that lie by continuing to be truth seekers and truth speaker, says Anjala Rangat, member Thma Urangli Juki. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Kondot K. Sangma today informed the State Assembly that Meghalaya and Assam now share a cordial relationship at different levels when compared to earlier years. Replying to a call attention notice moved by Nujorki Sungo from the ruling United Democratic Party on the plight of the residents at Block 1, Mr. Sangma said the boundary issue is being addressed in a phased manner. Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government today celebrated its 4 years in office at Usoso Tham Auditorium in Shillong. The program was graced by Meghalaya Chief Minister Kondot K. Sangma, ministers, MLAs, MDCs, Meghalaya Chief Secretary and others. The program also highlighted the various achievements of the state government in implementing the schemes and projects in the state. The day was marked by entertainment. Two women of Meghalaya, Kongri Yolang Dhar, an international referee, and Balarisha Lungdo Nanglat, a silent COVID-19 warrior working outside the state, were felicitated by National People's Youth Front Shillong City, National People's Party new member and Umsning MDC Magdalene Maulong felicitated these women on the occasion of International Women's Day in the presence of the President of National People's Youth Front, State National Youth President and President of NPYF Shillong City.
Nisultanat bani bekilong kami ada shisha kilakiu haman laki benta lakalong haka imlang kasalan lakalong haka san pertai lakalong haka line sports lakalong haki babun rukom lesi kuma football ngim da kamle osno jakot dia osno tagi shenran ki bai shim benta lane ki badon benta ding yo hang ni ikong yo lang dahar mo nasuban ai ku play pi kajing long shlur ka jong pi kalong kanuksa ka babha ka ba.
The District Legal Services Authority, East Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, under the aegis of National Legal Services Authority today, observed the International Women's Day at Kandailat in the heat of Meghalaya capital Shillong. International Women's Day is an occasion to celebrate the progress made towards achieving gender equality and women's empowerment. Speaking on the occasion, the Secretary of DLSA, Dapira Sotun, said that women should be given equal recognition with men. She also said today's program lays emphasis on the issue of violence against women.
Domestic violence, gender equality,
From the family of Don Bosco Media Network, we extend a warmest happy International Day wish to all the women in the state and in the world. A building with a strong foundation will stand firm against the worst of storms. A society built on the foundation of truth will stand the test of time. The present day and age has seen an overwhelming surge in attacks on this foundation, from fake news to half-truths to outright lies. How does one overcome in such a situation?
And we need to once again dedicate ourselves and find our dreams and uphold our dreams and find the resolve to continue to struggle in solidarity to usher in a more egalitarian society. So for us in Meghalaya, let us look at what are the struggles that continue to await us as women. I think a very, very pressing issue continues, sadly, to be gender-based violence and violence against women and children. And, the fact that we have to break down patriarchal structures and understand the origins of even violence, that excuses of, alcoholism or upbringing or broken families are just excuses, and that the root cause of violence is really an unequal world and an unequal power relations. And so that is what we have to address. We also have to address the fact that we have to be able to ensure speedy justice to victims of violence, because justice delayed is justice denied. We have struggled for so many cases of rapes and molestation, sexual harassment, where for years, even if the woman found the courage to speak up, there's still that kind of stigma. So we have to, as women, as a society, ensure that we understand that the root cause of gender-based violence is unequal power relations, and that's what we have to address. And that we have to ensure better policing, but most of all, a better justice system where women actually find justice and timely justice.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.